Very little of that in Luke. Luke is not so closely connected to the traditions of the Hebrew Bible. He is trying to offer a message which is universally accessible to people from any religious tradition. And for that reason, he's not so closely caught up with the idea of showing the continuity between the covenant with Yahweh and the new law offered by Jesus. So if that's the case, and if it's the case that Mark is the first of the Gospels and Matthew and Luke come later, the additions over what's in Mark tell us something about the Gospel. If we were to put it the other way, then we would have to think that Mark was shrinking down the Gospel to its essence. That changes the way we think about the Gospels, changes the way we think about these texts, and by implication, it will change the way we think about the early Christian communities. So for now, provisionally, given that the scholarly consensus has emerged that Mark is first, that Matthew is probably second, and that Luke is probably the third and last of the synoptics, perhaps produced around 85, it suggests then that we read the additions in Luke very carefully, and also we be very careful about the things that get left out of Luke that appear in Mark.